videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Monday, falling against the pound and the euro on renewed hopes of Spanish bailout, but strengthening versus the yen after poor Japanese trade data heightens quantitative easing expectations. The dollar ended the day at 1.3059 to the euro and 79.93 to the yen. Today's data includes the Richmond Fed's manufacturing index, which is expected to remain unchanged. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Monday after risk appetite rebounded following a better-than-expected results for the Spanish Prime Minister party in the regional elections, which were interpreted as an endorsement of the government's pro-austerities policies and seen as likely to increase chances of the bailout. The euro ended the day at 104.39 to the yen and 0.8155 to the pound. Eurozone's consumer confidence headlines the economy's calendar today and is expected to show a slight rise to negative 25.8 in October. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Monday as a rise in risk appetite was limited by the growth fears and the possibility of the Bank of England announcing more quantitative easing. The pound ended the day at 1.6014 to the dollar and 128.01 to the yen. Today's data is expected to show an increase in the number of mortgage loans agreed in September. Japanese yen. The yen weakens on Monday after poor trade data released over the weekend and a dovish speech by the governors of the Bank of Japan, Masahiko Shirakawa, increased expectations that the central bank would announce more quantitative easing at its next policy meeting. The yen ended the day at 79.93 to the dollar and 104.39 to the euro. And now the sections you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3035 with 1.308 and 1.312 as next targets. The downside penetrations of 1.3035, which will call for a slide towards 1.3015 and 1.2099. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5099 with 1.604 and 1.6065 inside. The downside penetrations of 1.5099, which will call for slides toward 1.5097 and 1.5094. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 79.65 with targets is 80.1 and 80.35. The downside penetrations of 79.65, which will call for slides towards 79.4 and 79.1. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.